Imagine holding a device that doesn't just capture your memories, but redefines the very limits of what an action camera can achieve. We are standing on the precipice of a new era in cinematography, where the barrier between professional-grade cinema gear and compact, rugged hardware is about to shatter. The tech world is buzzing with an intensity we haven't seen in years, and all eyes are fixed on one name: the DJI Osmo Action 7. If you have ever wondered what it would take to turn a casual adventure into a broadcast-quality masterpiece, you are in the right place. Today, we are peeling back the layers of the most highly anticipated launch of the year. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. We aren't just talking about a minor iterative upgrade here. We are talking about a total evolution. The leaks surrounding the DJI Osmo Action 7 suggest a machine designed to dominate, featuring a massive 1.1-inch CMOS sensor that promises to bring depth, clarity, and low-light performance that was previously thought impossible in a camera this size. When we look at the trajectory of the DJI Osmo Action series, it has always been about agility, but the Action 7 is shifting the focus toward pure, uncompromising power. Think about the most challenging lighting conditions you have ever faced: the deep shadows of a mountain crevice or the harsh, blinding glare of a desert noon. The rumors surrounding the sensor size indicate that DJI is prepared to handle these extremes with an ease that will make every other camera in your bag feel like a relic. But it's not just about the raw hardware. It's about the intelligence integrated into the silicon. The buzz in the industry suggests that the DJI Osmo Action 7 will feature next-generation AI-powered imaging that acts as an invisible director. Imagine having a camera that identifies your subject, anticipates their movement, and adjusts the exposure and frame rate in real time before you even realize you need to move. This is the level of sophistication we're looking at. The talk of an 8K video capability in the DJI Osmo Action 7 has sent shockwaves through the community. For those who demand absolute detail, this is the holy grail. But 8K is more than just a marketing buzzword. It's about future-proofing your content. Whether you're cropping into a shot for a cinematic punch-in or stabilizing your footage to an impossible degree, having that extra resolution is a game-changer. And that brings us to the stabilization tech. We have grown accustomed to RockSteady, but the leaked reports on the version coming to the Action 7 are nothing short of revolutionary. We are expecting a stabilization suite that doesn't just steady the image but creates a virtual gimbal effect that is so seamless, you will start questioning if you ever actually needed to carry heavy, bulky gear in the first place. Efficiency is the unsung hero of any great action camera. We have all been there. You reach the peak of a grueling hike, you pull out your camera, and the battery is dead. The leaks regarding the battery architecture of the DJI Osmo Action 7 address this pain point with absolute prejudice. Industry insiders are pointing toward a massive breakthrough in energy density that could potentially push the limits of battery life to staggering levels, far beyond the standard performance we have come to accept. Imagine filming for an entire day, from sunrise to sunset, without having to swap out a single battery. That isn't just convenience. It's the freedom to focus entirely on your craft. The engineering team at DJI has clearly listened to the community feedback, focusing on the endurance of the device just as much as its raw performance. But let's talk about the user experience. An action camera is only as good as its interface, and the DJI Osmo Action 7 is rumored to feature a refined, tactile user experience that feels intuitive even in the middle of a high-speed descent or a freezing cold environment. With a design that feels more ergonomic and screens that are supposedly brighter and more responsive than ever, this device is being built for creators who don't have time to fiddle with menus. It is a tool that disappears in your hand, allowing you to focus on the story you're trying to tell. The integration of improved voice control and perhaps even smarter gesture commands could change the way we interact with our gear entirely. When you're in the moment, you don't want to be a tech expert. You want to be a storyteller, and the Action 7 seems to be designed with that exact philosophy at its core. The competitive landscape is fierce. GoPro and Insta360 are giants, and they aren't sitting still. But the DJI Osmo Action 7 is positioning itself to be more than just a competitor. It is positioning itself to be the benchmark. By balancing high-end specs with what is expected to be a competitive price point, DJI is signaling that this technology should be accessible to the everyday adventurer, not just the elite filmmaker. The discourse around the potential pricing structure suggests that DJI is playing a very smart game, aiming to capture the hearts and the budgets of a massive segment of the market. They are betting on the fact that once you experience this jump in quality, there is no going back to the old standards of action photography. We also need to consider the software ecosystem. DJI has been quietly building one of the most robust post-production and editing workflows in the industry. The DJI Osmo Action 7 is expected to plug into this ecosystem in a way that makes your workflow faster and more efficient. Think about auto-editing features that use your footage's metadata to create a rough cut in seconds, or cloud integration that allows you to sync your clips wirelessly while you're still out in the field. This level of connectivity transforms the camera from a standalone unit into a comprehensive production station. The ability to push your footage from the camera to your phone and then directly to your audience in high quality is going to be faster than it has ever been. There's a certain thrill in watching the evolution of this product line. The DJI Osmo Action 7 represents a maturation of the action camera market. We have moved past the can it record phase and into the can it create art phase. Every leak we see, from the 5-hour battery life potential to the AI subject tracking that never loses focus, points to a single truth. DJI is aiming for total dominance. They want to be the reason you leave your DSLR at home. They want to be the reason you capture that once-in-a-lifetime shot that you would have otherwise missed. And honestly, looking at these specs, it is becoming increasingly hard to argue that they won't succeed. As we look toward the official unveiling, the anticipation is only going to grow. The community is already debating the potential colors, the modular accessories, and the various bundles that might accompany the release. Whether you are a professional videographer looking for a secondary angle that doesn't sacrifice quality, or a weekend warrior wanting to document your life in the best possible light, the DJI Osmo Action 7 is shaping up to be a mandatory acquisition. The sheer amount of development effort that has clearly gone into the sensor technology and the thermal management systems suggests a camera that is built to last, built to perform, and built to survive the elements. Stay tuned, because as we get closer to the launch, we will be diving even deeper into the comparisons, the head-to-head tests, and the breakdown of what this means for the broader industry. The future is bright, it is fast, and it is almost here. You do not want to be left behind as the landscape of action technology shifts under our feet. Keep watching, keep pushing the boundaries of your own creativity, and remember that with the right tools, the only limit is your imagination. The DJI Osmo Action 7 is not just another camera. It is the next step in our visual evolution. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to let us know in the comments which of these rumored features you're most excited about. Whether it is the 8K capability, the battery life, or the AI enhancements, your input fuels our passion to keep exploring the latest in tech. Thank you for being part of this journey with us, and we will see you in the next one.